I said D6 Spanky. The letter D, the number 6, Spanky. Right, here we have a 2004-2005 Chevy Uplander, and the customer asked for a new power steering pump and belt. As you can see, the belt is pretty wet. And then we had the idiot hood on and took it off, but it was spitting out all around with oil all over the idiot hood.
Spitting going on. Oh, we gotta clean your lens.
Oh, yeah, we probably do. And Brian's kind enough to let me do it in his garage instead of freezing to death in my driveway. So the first thing I gotta do is take off the serpentine belt, which is also getting replaced.
We're pulling the pulley off first. We got the squirt tank out of that, washer fluid tank. It's just got a couple of bolts, one here and one around the corner. The hardest thing is you gotta get the battery out of the way because it's really hard to clear the tank out. It wants to grab the underside. So, I'm hijacking Spanky's video, ha ha ha. So I got a plug to put on this one, and then this one you just gotta keep oriented in the up position, careful not to bend the plastic line. But the part that gets stuck is this right here. So you just got to focus on getting that up above the radiator support, and then the rest will come out. If you do that, I don't know if you even have to, it's just the way we're doing it. Sometimes there's things that you don't have to pull, but if you do pull it, everything goes faster, you make better time. It's like taking a long road that's a freeway instead of a short road through a neighborhood with lots of stop signs.
Okay, what did you put on this? Because this works a lot better now.
It's the Extreme Green Spray. It's a high friction, high pressure friction modifier. But yeah, what would normally destroy a Harbor Freight tool like that, it makes them work. Same with drill bits, it works amazing. It's this stuff right here. It's a teeny tiny can, it's like $10. It seems way overpriced, but the stuff's unreal. There's nothing else like it that I've seen. But I'm a total cheapskate, so I use a teeny bit. But anytime I use a screw puller or something with a bolt goes through it, I always put that on it. Saves your butt. So once you have the pulley off, you can see the 3 bolts. There's those 2 there and another one down below. I've also pulled a bracket off from this and the pulley. This is the bracket, again 3 bolts, 15 millimeter, just like the pulley. Once you have all this out of the way, you're just about home free. There's a pressure line you gotta do on this side, right there, and then there's a return line that's just a normal clamp. Good luck editing that.
Sure. Hello. So this is the pressure line here in the back. It's really bad lighting and it's all really dirty anyway, but it comes up and you get the crowfoot on it. This is a 5/8 to get up there on that.
15 millimeter is too small. Because you're upside down. There you go.
Oh, I hit my elbow. I wasn't expecting that. I thought it hit my nipples. It's free.
You win. This engine's Ram tough. See the little Ram horns, it looks like a Dodge emblem. Had to hide it behind the idiot hood because it's a Chevrolet. It's totally straight up, looks like a Dodge something. So we got the lines off of it, we got the bolts out. We got us a pump out!
It's a boy!
Whoop whoop! We've got the new pump in place and all the lines are started. You just want to connect them and then put the other bolts through the end of it so that everything's in alignment when the line gets tightened down. Because if you put the line on otherwise, it's not going to be as tempted to be straight. and then when you bolt it, it could cause something to move and make it leak. Floor fittings are, especially with rubber, the new rubber O-ring on it, it's going to be pretty forgiving. If everything's just kind of lined up but loose, and then you cinch it down, everything will be cinched down in alignment with other stuff. Just the way it was in AutoCAD. So watch closely as the power steering pump moves when you tighten it up. That's a lot of movement. So if you have your line tight already and then you do that, it's more likely to put stress on it. And it might not, but this way is a safe way that you'll get right every time without exception, no comebacks, no callbacks. Now we get the crow's foot wrench and tighten it up. The pump's tightened in. Everything's in its happy place. I usually wiggle the line just a little bit back and forth, find where it's happy, kind of center it up. That way your O-ring's in the middle and it can do the best it can do. So Spanky's got a bolt in there, and then she's really hooked up. I don't know where she got that bearing, but there's a bearing you can put in there. And then I sprayed everything with the extreme green. It's like a WD-40 can that's teeny tiny. I showed you earlier. Extreme green. But holy crap, does it slide on better than transmission fluid or anything else.
Yeah, this is nice.
It's got antimony and zinc and phosphorus or something from plants. Anyway, stuff's just nuts. Normally it would like make you sweat, make your forearms burn like crazy, like mine, and this just makes it go on. It's pretty slick.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/channel D6Spanky and on Twitter and Instagram at D6Spanky. If you would like to support me in putting out more videos, become a patron at patreon.com/D6Spanky. Thanks again for watching. Let's go learn something.